What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to add the products on Wix website. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. So first of all, go to your Wix website and edit your current website. And under that, just click add element on the right side and click search. Then search for a store. And after you search it, just scroll down and find Wix store and make sure that you add it in your website. So me, I already added in my website, so I can just add it again. Just click add again. And after you add this website, it will redirect you to this page. Just wait until it's finished loading. And after that, it will give you a section right here. As you can see in the screen, there are new section, and also there will be a tab right here on the right side. So now you can add your first product. Just click add product, and it will show you a bunch of templates, pictures right here, or products. You can just delete them all and add a new product on your own. And after that, just click add a new product, and you can choose if it is physical or digital. So I'm going to choose the digital file. So now you're going to be in here. So you can change the title of your product. So now I'm going to make it healthy foods. You can also insert a file of your product, the content of your product, what is your product. So you can, it's up to you. So me, I'm going to choose a random picture or a random document. And after that, just click add to product right here on the bottom side. After you click it, you can now just proceed to the description. You can add a random description. For me, just going to add a random subscription, but it's up to you. And after that, you can also add an image and videos about the look of your product. Also, you can make your product price and the sales of goods. You can stay it to zero, and also in stock, how many in stock. And after you fill this data, just click save, and right here, you can now just back to your Wix website. Just go back to your Wix website. Then as you can see here, there will be a section. You can right click it and click quick edit. And in quick edit, just go to layout and add a section. Then after you add a section, just go to the store right here. Click store. And after you click store, just add a random layout. So what you want. And after you add your layout, as you can see on the screen right here, you will now see your product, and it doesn't have a picture, but you can add it in your own. So it just changes a lot of information right here. And also you can change the background. So it's black. Just go to quick edit, go to content and change the background from this. And you can choose a lot of templates right here. And if you want to change the picture, if you want to add a picture, just click the manage product again, and it will redirect you back again to the Wix store, and click your products right here. And right there, you can now scroll down and add a videos or image, whatever you want. So I'm just going to add another random. So this one, it's perfect. It's a fruit. So now after saving it, right there, as you can see, the picture is already updated, and also the prices and the name are there, but the text is color white, so you cannot see it, but you can change it on your own. And that's it. That's how you add products on Wix website. And also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.